Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make paya. 2 dozen paya, 4 roughly cut onions, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon whole black peppers, 1 star anise, 4 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, and mix well. Add 2 liters of water. Cover and let it cook on low heat for 3 to 4 hours. Sieve the mixture. Sieve the bones. For the masala, heat 250 ml of oil. Add 4 sliced onions. Saute until golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 50 grams of paya masala, and mix well. Add the bones and mix. Add the sieved soup. Do not add any extra water. Cook on low heat for 30 minutes before serving. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.